We need to fix our posture before we start learning touch typing. Otherwise, it won't be easy to get the most out of it from our practicing. And also, you may suffer from back pain and wrist pain. Although some of us used to sit like this and like this guy also. Honestly, I do this sometimes. There are so many rules and regulations about how to sit on the chair properly, but we are not going to follow all of this because we don't need to do that. However, there are some essential rules that we will follow because if we don't, that will affect our learning process. So let's talk about some of those rules we need to follow while practicing the typing. This is the ideal position for sitting. The angle between your back and your leg should be around 100 degrees, although you can bend back a little like this guy, but not like this guy here. The top of the skin and your eye should be on the same horizontal plane. Your eyes should be able to view the skin comfortably without having to stretch, crane or strain your neck or your eyes. The most important part is the position of the hand. While sitting, the height of the desk should be slightly lower than the hand level. Your palm of the hand should not touch anything. It should be hanging on the air like the first picture. If the wrist touches the desk, it won't be comfortable to touch type. So this is it for this lecture, and in the next lecture we are going to download an app that will make our typing learning easy and fun, also fast.